Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Resilia Oil of Oregano Immune Support Drops review. So, you might be wondering what is these Resilia Oil of Oregano Immune Support Drops that you may be hearing online, or Resilia in general? Well, in this case, Resilia Oil of Oregano is a dietary supplement that's marketed to support immune health, digestive wellness, and overall daily well-being. Now, despite some people calling it drops here, the official product here currently is sold as a soft gel, combining oil of oregano with black seed oil in a easy-to-swallow capsule. Now, according to the manufacturer here, the formula is designed to provide the benefits of oregano oil without the strong taste or burning sensation associated with liquid oregano oil. Now, the main ingredients are 6,000 milligrams of oregano oil, standardized to 80% carvacrol, and 200 milligrams of black seed oil per serving. Now, the company says oregano oil is included to support the body's natural immune defenses and provide antioxidant support, while black seed oil is added to support digestive health here, a healthy inflammatory response, and overall wellness here. Now, the soft gels are also marketed as being free from gluten, dairy, soy, sugar, and artificial additives. Now, using the supplement here is quite simple according to them. Now, official directions recommend taking 2 soft gels daily with water, preferably with food, and the manufacturer advises consistently use as part of your routine and states that some users may notice changes within 7 to 14 days, although results can vary from person to person. Now, the product is intended as a dietary supplement and should be used according to the directions on the label. So that's why reading the label is really important here. Now, the official website here prices the product at around $35.99, which in this case is less compared to the original pricing of $39.99. Now, you also have the option to buy 2 get 1 free, which is $71.99, and the buy 3 get 2 free option here, which is $89.99. Now, also you have the option to enjoy further here by basically subscribing through their product here, so automatic refills and also shipping protection if you want to add those. So So one thing that you may want to know as well in here is this product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. As with any dietary supplement, it's a good idea to consult a health professional before use, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or have an underlying medical condition. Now, just to be on the safe side. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.